Do you ever get in your car and you start driving and you hear this noise? I can show you how to disable that, and it's pretty simple, honestly. It's a very weird method, but it really works, so let's try it. So just 2 easy steps. Basically, first turn on your car to on, take your seatbelt, and you press the button and you put this in and out 20 times. And that should disable it basically. So if it doesn't work, try it again. If it doesn't work at all, then sucks for you, I guess. If you guys like this video, please be sure to slap a like down in the comments. And I'll see you next time. Thank you. I'll end this video off by some exhaust noises. I'll end this video with some exhaust clips.